Hong Kong and Shenzhen were hit by an unprecedented, once-in-500-years storm that brought torrential rain, leaving death and destruction in its wake. The heaviest rain in Hong Kong's recorded history, spanning 140 years, wreaked havoc on Friday, resulting in the tragic deaths of 2 individuals and injuring over 100 people. The neighboring
Morning, everyone.
Shenzhen, with its 17.7 million residents, was also severely affected. First, an 87-year-old man was discovered near Causeway Bay Typhoon Shelter. Express Premium Banner Get Disney Plus for £1.99, the lowest ever isn't around long. Topless women take to streets in France to protest over exhibitionism fines. Kate Middleton's outfit took Prince Harry's breath away. Investing.com, Kim Jong.
税翻
一片汪洋，还有浪，跟你讲，刚才还有浪。
In a grim series of events, 2 men were found floating unconscious in Victoria Harbour, Hong Kong, less than 2 hours apart. Despite being rushed to Ruttenji Hospital in Wan Chai, he was declared dead around 11:30 a.m., with the police attributing it to suicide. Shortly before noon, another man was found floating near the Hong Kong-Macau ferry terminal, also succumbing to the relentless rain. Details about the second man remain unknown.